I cherish the people in the manner in which they approach me. For human beings are completely guided by my course of action. See, this has many meaning. One, whatever form you approach him, he appears to you. If you approach him as the father, he is there as a father. If you approach him as a mother, he is there as a mother. If you approach him as Shiva, he is there as Shiva. If you approach him as Krishna, he is there as Krishna. Whatever form you approach him, he is there for you. That is one understanding. Second, whatever attitude with which you feel him, he will be there. If you look at him as your Guru, he will be there like Shiva, teaching the Shiva Sutras. Whatever way you approach him, he is there. Whatever way you reach him, he is there. I can say the whole world appears to you as you approach it. Whoever approaches in whatever way, in the same way I approach them, he is giving tremendous assurance to prove you can't say only one path is right. God is too big to be branded and marketed under one religion. God is too big to be contained in one religion. So whatever form, whatever name, whatever way you approach him, he is there. I can say it's a powerful assurance. It's really a powerful assurance. It liberates you from millions of bondages and disturbances. This verse is theological lesson. This verse can relieve you from so many psychological pains. Even the universe, whatever way you approach, if you approach with a constant feeling, I may fail, I may fail, I may fail, you are waiting for failure to be the climax of your life. Instead, approach the life with a constant feeling, I will win the game, I will win the game, I will win the game. I will make my new reality into reality. My new vision as a vision. So naturally you will be expecting that climax. Whatever climax you are expecting is bound to happen today or tomorrow. I am very clear. Akshardham is my climax. Where millions of people, enlightened beings, sit and meditate. So every one of you, let your new vision of you, your new creative vision of you, be you. Create. You always see the world the way you are, not the way the world is. So now, let your new vision be the world for you. See it as the way you are. If you are constantly thinking of that new world, I tell you, the climax will always be the way you expect. See, what is climax? When you feel your life ends. If you are expecting wrong things, the moment that wrong things start appearing, you will feel your life has ended and climax over. If you are expecting the right thing, You will simply see that happens and you will feel the fulfillment. Even with the world, exactly what you expect, that only becomes your climax. I know some people get married knowing that they are going to divorce. Maybe in next few months or few weeks. So enter into the life with the right climax. Don't start the drama of your life without completing the right climax. Don't think, I'll start the drama, slowly I'll develop and create the climax. No. Have the right climax script ready before entering into the drama. Only then you will know how to approach life. How to approach life.